Welcome to Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a chat-based collaboration tool that brings people together for work. Information and documents can be shared in a common space. Teams integrates with the other Microsoft Office services, such as Word and Excel, quite seamlessly. You can sign into Teams on the web at teams.microsoft.com or from your desktop application. Enter your LSBU username and password. However, for the best experience, use the desktop application. Microsoft have produced a quick start guide, and there are a few things that we'll point out here. You have the apps bar, which allows you to switch between your Teams and your chat and your activities. Every team will have channels, which organizes your communications by topics or by projects. To start a one-to-one chat, click on the new chat icon and enter the name of the person in the To field. Type your message and press send. You can include emojis or attach files in this area. To start a group chat, again, click on the new chat icon and select the down arrow. Give your group a name. You can again type the names of the people to include in the group chat. Type your message and send when completed. With Teams, you can use the video conferencing tool. To make calls from an existing channel, select the team and the channel. Click the Meet Now button and start your meeting. To initiate one-to-one or group calls, click the new chat icon and enter the name or names that are required. Click on the video icon for a video conversation or the audio call button for an audio conversation. If you need to add someone to the call, select the Show Participants button. To see all your important files from the apps bar, select the Files icon. Typically, files are sorted by recent activity, which will show your files that have been viewed or edited. MS Teams shows all documents created or edited within your channels, and Downloads will show a list of all files downloaded to Teams. Files can be shared in a channel. Choose a channel and select the Files tab within the channel. You can upload, create a new document, spreadsheet, presentation or folder. You can copy a link to share with your team or download a shareable link to the file or the folder dependent on what you have selected. We have put together a few resources for you. Resources to LinkedIn Learning, a Microsoft Teams interactive demo, and a video welcoming you to Microsoft Teams. In addition, there are also videos that we've put together for you, and we do hope you will find these useful. Thank you.